right, so here are your tips and tricks to divisibility. I'm only going to do 2 problems on this independent practice. So for number 2, list all the factors for each of the following. So I have the number 35. So I like to use the rainbow method. So I list 1 and 35 on opposite ends of each other. And then I put commas next to them so I can separate them from my other numbers. And then I know it's not divisible by 2 because it's not even. It's not divisible by 3 because when I add 5 plus 3, it's not. 8 is not divisible by 3 either. It's not divisible by 4 just basically because it's not divisible by 2. It's divisible by 5 because it ends in 5, and 5 times 7 is 35. And then I'm kind of closing the gap here. Is it divisible by 6? And the answer is no, because 3 and 5 aren't divisible by 6. So I have all my factors for 35 with 1, 5, 7, and 35. Skipping down to number 5, tell if the following numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, or none by circling all that apply. So for the number 93, I know that 2 is not going to go into 93 evenly because it is not an even ending with the 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 on the 93. I do know that it's divisible by 3, and you can show your thinking by saying 9 plus 3 is equal to 12, and then I know 12 is divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 4. It is not divisible by 5 because it does not end in 0 or 5. It is, however, divisible by 6 because, again, of this 9 plus 3 and being 12, it's also divisible by 6. It's not divisible by 9, and it's not divisible by 10 because it doesn't end in 0. So hopefully that helps you explain how you're doing this. And then if you were to do none, you could have just circled it up here. But this one obviously is divisible by 3 and 6. So we are not going to circle none there. I'm going to reset. Oops. All right, so that's it for my tips and tricks on divisibility.